Day drinking at the races, now ready for a mad night. Keep the tunes coming. Shout out to AK, Ack, maybe that is. Big up to Newton, Bills, Niall, Boone, Tim, Tommy, and Jim. DJ Target Garden Weekends are back. You gotta love a garden weekend. We're back listening to you every Saturday night, ready for some bangers, says Nikki. Salute to the crew in the garden. VR. Catching couple last minute rays. I'm wondering, the woods kind of lost the music, is keeping me. And now wait, I'm wondering the woods kind of lost. The music is keeping me and the dog going. Big up to Joe and Torquay, hope you find your way out. Torquay is beautiful when the sun's out and when it's summertime, I gotta say. Torbados and all that. Yo-Yo Target and Chef Brad and Claire get a little shout out. Just arrived home from Monaco. Back to the daily grind. I know how that feels as well. Cheers, Target. Keep your tunes coming. Big up to the... What else they got here? Evening... Oh, I read that one already. I got loads though, to be fair. Keep them coming in. By the way, here's how the show's gonna sound. I got loads of bangers in the bag. As you know, we like to take it all over the place. I got my old school coming in at 7:45 like per usual. Classic versus mix, you will decide what I'll be mixing though. Of course, be the DJ. Another chance for you lot to try and defeat one of the one extra DJs. A DJ that celebrated 10 years on the BBC this week. Todd Latte, the man who produced this record we're talking about, I'm talking over right now. So you know it's not going to be any games. I'm going to play you a bit of P-Money's Team Takeover that went down on my show during the week. That was sick. If you're loving your grind, you're going to love that. And just loads of big tunes. New Bugsy, Malone and H. New Stefflon Don to play. New Stormzy. We look forward to Stormzy's headline gig next week. Glastonbury. Got some new Zai. Got a bit of Skepta in there. Some classic Red Light. A bit of AJ Tracy. We'll be talking IB for a little later as well, because you do know one extra taking over IB for soon as well. LSG, OT Bot, without a doubt one of the biggest records of the summer.
on it. They really want smoke, smoke on my bitches and
Brand new.
money. Let me show you how to make some money, make some money. Money. Let me show you how to make some money, make some money. Let me show you how to get some money, I'll put you on. Let me show you how to get some money, I'll put you on. Let me show you how to get some money, I'll put you on. Let me show you how to get some money, I'll put you on. Let me show you how to get some money, I'll put you on. Let me show you how to get some money, I'll put you on. Listen, I can never be beat. Only ever started rapping so my family can eat. And I could guarantee that you can never compete. You don't ever know the struggle till you're in your sleep. And yes, I talk about success, but also talk about that struggle. Only 17 years old, and I move it by the muscle. Moving subtle so they huddle. Knowing I'm trying to bubble. Real gangsters moving silence, they never knock the hustle. Make money. Let me show you how to make some money. Make some money. Money. Let me show you how to make some money. Make some money. Let me show you how to get some money.
I told you I had lots of new music tonight, didn't I?
Let me show you how to
Brand new from 17-year-old Kira Love. She's been blazing it up in the States. Shut down her Instagram. She's got like well over 1 million followers. Built up of a load of freestyles. She just dropped her debut single. You can hear how excited I am about Saturday night. That's called Put You On. It's DJ Target live and direct through your speakers. And I got brand new with Fresh Deneo. Straight after this. Next weekend, the biggest festival in the world is back. BBC Music at Glastonbury. Don't miss Steph London, Wu-Tang Clan, Lauryn Hill, AJ Tracy, Janet Jackson, Georgia Smith, Bugsy Malone, and one of the most anticipated performances of the